Taxes could be your largest expense in retirement, and yet for pre-retirees, tax planning often fails to be top of mind during the retirement planning process. That's a potential misstep that could come at a price. And joining me now is Ed Wright, a partner with Golden Reserve, a Cincinnati area retirement planning firm that helps people who are in or nearing retirement. So Ed, what do those who are approaching retirement or are maybe in the early years of retirement right now need to know about tax planning?
Yeah, so we think folks need to have a proactive approach. It's very easy when you first retire or you get ready to retire just to kind of avoid paying tax. I mean, right, who wants to pay any more tax in a year than they should? And then that falls into just trying to avoid it. But we think folks need a proactive approach to look at how much tax could we pay in the future to make sure we minimize it.
So how often would you say that tax planning is overlooked in the retirement planning process?
Yeah, honestly, way too much. I mean, when you think taxes, a lot of times you think about getting your tax return done last year. There's really not a lot of folks focused on forward looking. How much can we reduce our taxes in the future? And so we see it really missed a lot. And unfortunately, a lot of advisors, all they really worry about are the investments. You got a tax question, you might get a business card. So a lot of times folks are missing it.
So Ed, dollars and cents wise here, over the course of retirement, what sort of potential tax savings, what will those look like for some people?
Yeah, so at Golden Reserve, we've been looking at these for the last 10 years. We've done over 2,200 of these roadmaps, and the savings can be significant by having a proactive approach. And so I just had a client, she was a nurse, he had worked at Procter & Gamble. They had roughly $500,000 in their 401k IRAs, all of those accounts that they owed tax on. If they would have fallen into what Uncle Sam wants them to do, they would have easily paid $175,000 in taxes. But with a proactive approach, them picking when and how much to take out, we're going to be able to save them close to $75,000 or more in taxes alone.
So Ed, how can retirees be in a better position for those taxes?
Right. Again, they need to have a proactive plan that looks forward. And so for folks that want one, we'll put together a roadmap for retirement. And the very first thing that we're going to put in there is what we call our tax map. We have a team of CPAs that we work with internally that's going to put together a customized plan based on how much those people have on when and how much they can take out so that they can beat Uncle Sam and pay the least amount possible.
All right, it all sounds good. Ed, and for you at home, if you want to make sure your retirement plan takes taxes into account, Ed has a great offer for you right now. For the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $500,000 or greater, he's offering a complimentary roadmap for retirement. This will allow Ed's team of retirement planners that he just mentioned to sit down with you and assess where you are and then build a plan that covers taxes, market risk, and investment fees, as well as long-term care costs. It's your own roadmap to get down retirement mountain safely. Call 513-912-4335. Again, that's 513-912-4335.